Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated cameras of 2025, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. If you're a photography enthusiast, videographer, or content creator, you might be wondering, will this be the biggest upgrade in the APS-C mirrorless camera market? Let's explore everything we know so far. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is poised to shake up the mirrorless camera landscape with significant advancements in image quality, autofocus, and video capabilities. Canon has consistently refined its camera lineup, and the R7 Mark II is expected to be a game-changer, building on the strengths of its predecessor while introducing cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a professional photographer, an avid hobbyist, or a content creator, this camera could be the perfect blend of power, versatility, and portability. Upgraded sensor for superior image quality. At the heart of the EOS R7 Mark II is a rumored new generation APS-C sensor, designed to deliver exceptional image clarity and dynamic range. While the previous EOS R7 featured a 32.5 megapixel sensor, the Mark II is expected to maintain the resolution but integrate either a stacked or backside illuminated BSI sensor. This upgrade will dramatically improve image processing speed and low light performance, reducing noise at high ISO settings, an essential feature for wildlife, sports, and event photographers. A stacked or BSI sensor allows for faster data readout, reducing rolling shutter effects, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. Whether you're photographing birds in flight or high-speed motorsports, this improvement ensures crisp, detailed shots without distortion. This leap in sensor technology brings the EOS R7 Mark II closer to the capabilities of full-frame cameras, making it a compelling option for those who need professional-level performance in a compact APS-C body. Next-generation image processor for enhanced performance. Another major enhancement expected in the EOS R7 Mark II is an upgraded DGIC-X processor, delivering faster image processing, improved color accuracy, and greater dynamic range. This will allow for better detail retention in high-contrast environments, making it perfect for landscape photographers who often deal with bright skies and deep shadows. The faster processor also plays a crucial role in burst shooting. The previous model could shoot at 30 FPS with the electronic shutter. Will the Mark II push this limit even further? A faster processor means reduced buffer clearing times, allowing users to shoot in burst mode without interruptions, a critical feature for sports and wildlife photographers who need to capture every split-second moment. AI-powered autofocus. Precision, like never before. Canon's autofocus systems are already among the best in the industry, and the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to take things to the next level with AI-driven enhancements. Borrowing technology from Canon's flagship EOS R3 and R6 Mark II, the Mark II is likely to incorporate advanced deep learning algorithms for subject tracking, eye detection, and predictive autofocus. This means the camera will be able to track moving subjects with unparalleled accuracy, whether you're photographing athletes, wildlife, or fast-moving vehicles. The ability to predict subject movement using machine learning will be a game-changer for action photography. Imagine capturing a cheetah mid-sprint or a fast-moving surfer. The camera's AI-powered autofocus ensures you never miss a critical moment. Low-light autofocus performance is also expected to see major improvements. With better sensitivity in dim environments, the EOS R7 Mark II could excel in challenging lighting conditions, from concerts to nighttime street photography. This will be a major advantage for vloggers and videographers working in unpredictable lighting setups. Cinematic video capabilities. 4K 120 FPS and RAW output. For video enthusiasts, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to introduce 4K 120 FPS recording, a massive upgrade for those looking to capture ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. This would put the R7 Mark II in direct competition with high-end APS-C models like the Fujifilm X-T5 and Sony a6700. In addition, the ability to record 12-bit RAW video via HDMI could make this camera a serious tool for filmmakers. This feature provides maximum flexibility in post-production, allowing for professional-grade color grading and greater creative control. Internal RAW recording would also streamline workflows, eliminating the need for external recorders and making it an ideal camera for content creators on the go. Canon is expected to improve the camera's overheating management, allowing for longer recording times without interruptions, a crucial feature for vloggers and live streamers. The EOS R7 Mark II might also integrate improved in-body image stabilization, IBIS, combining it with electronic stabilization for ultra-smooth handheld video shooting, minimizing the need for gimbals. Extended battery life and advanced connectivity, battery life is another key area where Canon is expected to make improvements. The EOS R7 Mark II will likely feature the LPE6NH battery, offering longer shooting durations when paired with the more efficient Digis X processor. With USB-C charging and power delivery, users can charge the camera while shooting. Perfect for travel photographers and content creators filming long sessions. On the connectivity front, the EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to include upgraded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, allowing seamless file transfers to cloud services like Google Drive and Adobe Creative Cloud. This ensures a smooth workflow for professionals who need to edit and share their content quickly. Improved design and ergonomics. Canon is also expected to refine the camera's ergonomics. A larger, high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder could enhance the shooting experience, providing clearer details and a more immersive display. The fully articulating touchscreen will likely see brightness and responsiveness improvements, making it easier to shoot in bright outdoor conditions. Dual card slots will be another welcome feature, allowing for simultaneous backup recording or extended storage, crucial for professional photographers and videographers who work with large media files. Pricing and release. Canon's pricing strategy suggests that the EOS R7 Mark II will be slightly more expensive than its predecessor, which launched at $1,500. Given the extensive upgrades, a price range of $1,700 to $1,900 seems likely. This would still be competitive against similar APS-C mirrorless cameras, making it an attractive choice for photographers looking for high-end performance without going full frame. As for the release date, Canon follows a consistent product cycle, and industry insiders predict a launch in late 2025 or early 2026. However, if market demand and competition from brands like Sony and Fujifilm push Canon to act faster, we could see an earlier announcement. Final thoughts. Is the Canon EOS R7 Mark II worth the hype? The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a groundbreaking APS-C mirrorless camera with its upgraded sensor, AI-powered autofocus, and professional-grade video capabilities. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, sports shooter, vlogger, or filmmaker, this camera could be a game-changer in the mid-range mirrorless market. If Canon delivers on these anticipated upgrades, the EOS R7 Mark II will likely become a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. As we await official announcements, stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates, and let me know in the comments. What features are you most excited about in the EOS R7 Mark II?